Hi guys, welcome to another painting video. Well, this time we're gonna go out of our comfort zones, not because we never did it, we almost always do it, but this time, like I told you before, we're gonna go back to the 3D technique, but using a different technique on the same canvas. I think it's gonna be interesting, and I love the 3D technique, but I think we don't do it enough, and there's not enough people doing it. I think that's the nicest way to go and do something different from everybody else. Listen, what I'm going to do, I'm going to use a mask that you can buy almost everywhere. A mask. I'm going to do a dirty pouring over it, but simple, not too much color. I'm going to try to represent something of the human side. Anyway, you know what? I'm going to do it, I'm going to show you, then you'll understand, and we'll talk about it afterwards. So let's go and do it. So guys, now you see what I was talking about. That's what's special about it, is that it's kind of our own profile as human being. We always struggle between the good and the bad, you know. So I think that's what I wanted to represent in this painting. So it's kind of interesting though, because as you see, of course, the bad part of humanity is the first part with the small mask. Then I did cover it with the good one, which represent, of course, the good side of people. And through the eyes, I did some holes, so that I didn't want to the part, the first part that we did, I didn't want it to vanish. So that's why I did the holes in the eyes of the second mask, so that you can be able to see on the other side of the good part. So I think that's kind of interesting. I think listen, for what it represents and the technique that we use, there's a lot of technique in that painting, and because of it, I think it's my preferred one by a long shot. Listen, I think it's really, you know what? It's nice and it can be creepy at the same time. So anyway, I think we have a nice result. As you saw, I think the pouring we did over the second mask is unbelievable how great it is. I think it's going to be a technique I'm going to use on the next canvas just to show. We did a reproduction of a lot of things, but I think that the marble reproduction that we did, I think this technique is perfect. It's even a technique we can use on a kitchen countertop. I think that would be a nice technique. You do a resin pouring over it afterwards. I think that would be something great to do, and maybe I'm gonna do it, that's for sure. So anyway guys, I hope you like it. It's a nice way to approach dirty pouring. As you saw, I didn't have a black canvas, because sometimes you can find one in an art boutique, but I didn't, so I had to put, as you saw, it was a lot of steps to make this canvas, but it took me, I think overall, it went over 3 or 4 days before I could really finish it. But like I said, it's worth the wait, because it's very nice. I think we got right on the nose. I think it does what it was, the purpose it was served for. I think it's nice, but like I say, it can be as beautiful as you want or as creepy as you want, depending on the light you're going to put on it. Once on a wall at night, it can be very creepy. So it's like a face, someone's face who come out of the wall. So anyway, I hope you enjoy. I hope you're gonna try it, because like I said, there's a few techniques in it, and it's nice to work with all those techniques and to have some great creation. That's why we're gonna do a few others 3D, because of the fact that it's very nice and it's a nice change of pace. So guys, I hope you like it. I hope you're gonna come back, and like always, please subscribe, leave a comment and share. It's always appreciated. See you on the next painting video. Take care guys.